So, hi. So yes, I graduated from NLI last October, and I was very fortunate, and I was able to come home to a job that was ready for me.
Awesome.
Um, yeah, so I've been very happy in the med spa. The only problem is that there's been some problems with the partnership, and it sounds like our nurse injector wants to pull out. So that has presented my husband and I. My husband is our medical director.
Okay.
It's presented us with an opportunity to get creative about how to continue to run this business. Some thoughts I've been throwing around is like, one, I don't know if you've read in the messages, but one idea is to drive to Big Sky, which is only 45 minutes away, pre-sell tickets, rent out a conference room, and then just do these like $3,600 packages where people can come in, get their Botox injections, get their M-Sculpt Neo fat burning, and get some laser work done. And it's wrapped up in a tidy little bow. And we would offer this once a month so that it feels like if you don't sign up, it creates the sense of I better sign up and grab that opportunity quickly or it'll disappear. So I guess my question is, how do you know if anything's been done like that before? I know this is kind of similar to your model of traveling to other states and providing training. Um, could you give me
Yeah,
any
great
advice on
question.
that?
So, Marlena, I've actually done exactly what you're contemplating for 9 straight years. We created an event called the Skin Scene, and it's a monthly event, just like you're talking about, where we kind of sing and dance and promote and tell our stories, get people excited about either becoming an attendee, training, or a customer. I used to do them in person before COVID. We put 100 people in a room, and initially we'd sell nothing. We'd do a live Botox demonstration and like a live cool sculpting demonstration. We'd have food and wine and cheese and hors d'oeuvres. We give away like 10 grand prizes. And these parties, by the way, cost me next to nothing because I got the vendors like Allergan and laser companies to give me samples and pay for the food and wine. And then at the end of the event, after we'd had like this fun party for an hour, at the end of the event, we say, okay, guys, special deal now. What's normally $10,000. If you buy it tonight, it's $3,000 by package. Come on, blah, blah, blah. And we'd sell a heck of a lot of people. And the reason I got that idea is my best friend's wife works part-time for Pampered Chef. Pampered Chef is a $300 million a year company that built their brand doing parties. So they sell Tupperware. So I asked my best friend's wife one time, I said, how the heck do you make 100 grand a year working part-time selling pots and pans? I don't get it. Because Louis, we have a party and I invite 20 of my girlfriends and we do wine and cheese and raffles for Tupperware and X% buy stuff. And we just do party after party after party. And that's how I make my 100 grand a year. So that was how I got the idea to do it. And I took the Pampered Chef party model, which now they do with lingerie and sex toys and perfume and jewelry. And I kind of did an aesthetics exactly like you're thinking. So here's the key. What you're saying is a great idea. The hurdle is you don't want to go rent a hotel and pay $3,000 for an hour or 2-hour party. You got to find a venue that's going to cost you a couple $100 or $500 or a barter. That's going to be your key to success. If you can find a place to do it in, maybe you rent out some church that's closed down for the night or a library or something, then yeah, it's a slam dunk. Love, love, love. I'm a big fan of the party circuit, the kind of happy hour and steroids where you're educating, entertaining, and then, oh, by the way, at the end, you're selling whatever you're selling,